Hello, my wonderful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. See, let me tell you something. Everybody cannot be going the same direction. There are some direction that seems so good to the face of some people, while there are some decision that felt so bad to some people. See, let me tell you something. Everybody is entitled to his or her opinion. A time without number, we have been deliberating of the issue of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and what the federal government really want him to do and what they need from him. Without not wasting much of a time, one of our beloved Igwe have said it all. In fact, I dive into this is ideal because nobody knows what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is passing through in that place, of which a lot of people know that since Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is there is nothing he can do. All the negotiation for him to be released will still point on the aspect of stopping or stepping down from the Biafra struggle. That is why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has been teaching you people for a very long time, and he said he needs just 100 men. He has prepared for a time like this. He have run his race and he has completed his race, so it's left for every other person that believe in what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have said or what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu believe to carry on from there. I don't really want to talk too much. I want to listen to this our Igwe. Hope it makes some sense to you. Now listen to him and I'll be right back.
Biafra kwenu, Biafra kwenu, Biafra kwezuonu. This you are hearing the voice of His Royal Majesty Eze Igbo SA. Isi Obi of Obindi Igbo SA. Eze Biafra, King of Biafra. You are hearing my voice, and this message goes straight to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu family. I want you to share this message till Mazi Kanuta get this message. Mazi Emmanuel Kanu got this message. Let them send this message. Let them take this message to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in DSS dungeon. Because you know, everybody in Nigeria know that Nigerian government settle case with gun and bullet. They don't call people to negotiate. They use gun and bullet to force you to agree what you don't want to agree or what you want to agree. So, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, if the Nigerian government asks him to drop Biafra, yes, he can say yes. If whatever they ask him to do, let him do it and come out from there. That place is not a home. Let him go and treat himself. Let him drop Biafra. Let him drop everything. It's only God who knows what is in your heart. My heart and your heart. It's only God who knows what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will do next. But for now, life is very important. We have a Prime Minister, Mazi Simon Ekpa Njoko, His Excellency Prime Minister Simon Ekpa Njoko, who are forefront fighting for Biafra freedom. So, whether Mazi Nnamdi Kanu supported or not, there's no difference because Mazi Simon Ekpa is his disciple. So, he doesn't need to be said, no, I don't want Biafra, I want Biafra. Let him agree with whatever they concord or concoction they cooked to give him. Let him accept every concussion they cook for him. Let him accept it because they are using gun and blade to settle case. Nigeria is not a country that use democracy way or diplomatic way to settle case. They use gun and blade. So this message must be shared to the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu family get it. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should not reject any offer they give him because he is not in front of freedom fighting now. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not in front of freedom fighting. Mazi Prime Minister, His Excellency Simon Ekpa Njoko is in front of the war, fighting for Biafra freedom. What we need, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu Amadike ndị Igbo, Amadike Biafra, onye ndu Biafra for now is to accept any option they give him to come out and go and treat himself in overseas and be with his family for a while before he know what to do. But let him accept. I want him to sign with the gun and blade. Let him should sign and come out. Because everybody know that gun and blade is involved. Because he didn't commit anything. Anything Martin Nnamdi can agree. We know that gun and blade is among the settlement. Because when any criminal who point or any thugs or criminal or bandit point a gun on you or you to kill you, if you don't say this, I'll kill you. You have to say it. You have to agree. Save your life first. You get saved to go to Ndogo before a man here the only God know what the Master Nnamdi can know be and getting nobi and get the bloggers and dasari and the DOS IPOP Nigeria and the Master Nnamdi Kanu. Makanamonia mana Odo no be the Master Nnamdi Kanu hire 9 million na regotina barrier. Manhana hana check ogwe. So ebe government na check ba ogwe. Master Nnamdi Kanu kwetere option of na enyere ihe pụta ka enyi na ya baribe ka obi dị ya mma. Eastern governors obi dị ha mma. Ndị ọha na eze ndị Igbo ka obi dị ha mma. Ya pụta godi che treat onwe. Then no treat sesi onwe. Omarazie the next na ọ ga-eme. Na DSS dungeon abụrụ home is not a place to live. Ọ bụ okwu a ka m nwere ikwu for now. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, accept any offer they give you. Come out and go and treat yourself. Be free from the hand of your enemy. Come out from the hand of your enemy. Agree any option. If they ask you sign, sign. Because you are no longer in front of fighting Biafra freedom for now. So you don't need for 3 years or 4 years. Why are you arguing with people who carry gun and bullet? You don't need it. What you need is to say yes and come out and go and treat yourself. Then you decide what to do. Because the whole world know that they use gun and bullet to force you to say what you don't want to say. You understand what I'm saying? So God bless Biafrans. God bless those who will share this message very quick for the family of Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Get it. I want them to get this message and take it to Maazị Nnamdi Kanu and tell him this is what Eze Igbo said. God bless Biafrans all over the world. May God protect you, guide you. Whatever you are doing, may God bless you. Whatever you lay your hand, it shall prosper. If you don't have a job, you shall get a job. If you are a asylum, you get citizen or green card. Whatever you are doing, Biafra have come. We are smelling Biafra. All my body is Biafra. Everything is about me is Biafra. God bless Biafra. God bless His Excellency Prime Minister Simon Ekpa Njoku. God bless and protect Maazị Nnamdi Kanu inside the prison. Let him come out. I thank all of you. God bless everyone. He said.
So, my wonderful family, after listening or reading the comment section of this update from this our Igwe, there was lots of controversial statements. A lot of people did not understand what he was trying to say. He's just trying to be on the safer side, saying that it is high time Maazị Nnamdi Kanu should not be worried. Remember, it was said that they are ready to negotiate with Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. And at the same time, you remember what was said, that there is no way they want to negotiate anything with Maazị Nnamdi Kanu when he is still right inside the dungeon. Now, he is just trying to pour his advice by saying that Maazị Nnamdi Kanu should accept anything, because I and you have already seen the handwriting on the wall. I and you have seen that there is no way Maazị Nnamdi Kanu will be out from DSS custody and also start preaching or talking about Biafra. It is impossible. I and you know that. So that is why he's just trying to be in a safer side, telling Maazị Nnamdi Kanu that he should not worry, that the Biafra Prime Minister, which is the person of Simon Ekpa, still very much active, doing what he will be happy to hear. That Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should not be worried. You heard about what happened to Wazirike. I know that a lot of people are saying that Wazirike is different from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Yes, but after you have gone to that place, after you are in that place, after you have been arrested, just like what is happening right now, it will be so difficult for you to come out again and start talking about Biafra, because that will be one of the negotiation process. If you believe me, you don't believe me, is none of my business, but know this and know peace. That is why if you listen to the Biafra Prime Minister, he always said that he will not listen, he will not take any advice from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that is still with the DSS, that whatever Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is saying from there, he will not take it as a judgment. He will not take it as advice. That if they everly want Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to talk with him, they should release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But when he made this statement, a lot of people were attacking him, saying, oh, you are not a true disciple. These are some of the things that the Biafra Prime Minister have seen, that men looking at the situation, a lot of people haven't seen it, but now it has dawned on people. It has gone to the knowledge of people that what the Biafra Prime Minister was saying, making the statement that he will not take any advice from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He have seen this, he understand it, he know the game plan, he know what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be able to say from DSS custody, and he know what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu cannot say. And he know very well from the very beginning of every situation that concerned the rendition of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. If you notice and if you follow the Biafra Prime Minister back to back, you will know that he have foreseen all these things. He have put them into practice. He have raised this alarm. He have talked to Biafra. He has enlightened Biafra about what is about to happen, what has happened, and the consequences of listening to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from where he is. But a lot of people were taking them for granted. So now what are we saying? Recently you can still see some people that crucified the Biafra Prime Minister at the earlier stage, saying he will not listen to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, now making the same statement that they will not take any advice or any instruction from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because he is not really the one speaking. Now let's come to what this our Igwe said. Why are you not crucifying this our Igwe? Why are you attacking him? Why are you saying, oh, it is not possible for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to drop this Biafra struggle? He is not telling that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is going to drop it, but what one doing is what doing well. If you would have been in that place, your family member has been in that place, you will speak likewise. A lot of people attacking the family of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu today. If now your brother did it, what would you have done? Will you sit down and fold your hands and watch the situation going the other way around? Please allow the family of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to breathe. Allow them to stand by their brother. Allow them to allow their brother to negotiate whatsoever. Because as I said before, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don't date with una for a very long time. Inside this struggle, he don't get disciples. He have children, people that believed in him. It is time for you to take up the battle. Take the mantle from where he dropped it. In fact, this thing went on at the season just be like relay. If you reach your turn, they hand over the bat to you, you start running with it. That is exactly what is happening. Since the time of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, since the time he was rendition, if you notice, the Biafra Prime Minister, which is disciple of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Simon Ekpa, has taken over the mantle. He has been running with it for a very long time, for the past 3 years now, without Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and he is still running. So many other people who believe in the teachings of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who believe in what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu believed on, they are also fighting according to their own capacity. So what am I trying to say is this: you don't need to wait for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu before you take the rightful decision. Whether Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is here, is not here, whether Mazi Nnamdi Kanu sat down to clap for you, whether Mazi Nnamdi Kanu mention your name or not, Biafra will definitely come. So our Igwe is just trying to tell you that whether they like, whatever they like, release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu or not, somebody else has taken up the race. So why don't they just release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and allow the sleeping dog to lie? So my beautiful people, that brings us to the end of this update. Please do well to like this video, share and subscribe, and do well to drop your opinion in the comment section. What do you understand about everything that has been spoken? Do you think that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, even if he's no longer with the DSS, do you think that he still have the strong spirit of Biafra, because he is a lion and he still remain the lion and the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra? Do you think that there is something that has changed? As for me, nothing has changed. He still believes in what he believes. So please drop your opinion in the comment section. Don't you think that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, wherever he is right now, is also happy with the development, with what he has been hearing about how the movement of the Biafra still moving stronger and waxing stronger? So please drop your opinion in the comment section. Share this video. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst. I always bring the update to you. See you when I see you. From me to you, from here I said bye.